Hi, this is Aishwarya from EC department. So today's topic is about DT-based class delivery. The topic is wearable devices. Okay. So before that, what is design thinking?
Mindset to entrepreneur mindset.
Okay, good. And as well as it provides innovative solution to the complex problems. Right. Okay. So what are the 5 stages of DT? Okay, good. First stage is empathize. Right. So what is empathy?
Understanding
User needs. So our topic is wearable devices. What are the needs of users? So you are also one of the user, right? What are the needs? Fitness tracking, health monitoring or health tracking. Next, environmental activity or environmental tracking systems. Okay. Okay. So these are the user needs. Next part is define. What is define? Is that stage of to find or to create a problem statement. So we know that the user needs. One is health monitoring system, or fitness tracking and environmental factors. Right. So my problem statement is about user need a comfortable way to track a health system or health monitoring device. Right. And as well as the timely user need and user receive a timely alert of the health monitoring device systems. Okay. So next part is our ideate part. So what are the ideate means to exploring different factors. So first one is smart watch and as well as smart glasses and
smart bracelet, smart
TV. Good. So, health tracking, fitness tracking, and environmental tracking. So, my prototype model is smartwatch. So, this is my model, smartwatch. Okay. So, by using this watch, I have to record my heart rate measurement and my respiratory system rate, and as well as my blood flow measurement. Okay. So let us discuss working process of wearable device. So previously we saw the prototype model. So now the working process. So in this wearable devices we have 5 unit. So one is sensing unit and power management unit, elaboration unit, transmission unit and storage unit. In this sensing unit we have 3 type of sensor. One is accelerometer, gyrometer and magnetometer. So to detect the movement of the body. And next one is power management unit. So it's fully based upon the battery and battery management systems. Next one is elaboration unit. So this is the main unit of this wearable devices, that is micro controller. Okay. So next unit is transmission unit. Transmission is nothing but here we used transmission unit as Bluetooth module. Okay. So next one is storage unit. So in the storage unit, I have to use a SD card. Okay. In storage unit, use that SD card. So this is the block diagram explanation. Okay. How it works means, so by using this sensing unit, it has to sense the value. Okay. After that, a sensor is used to sense the physical signal and it has to convert the electrical signal. Okay. So that signal is given to the microcontroller through this I2C. I2C means interconnected circuit. So this is used to communicate signal from sensing unit to microcontroller. It is a low speed communication protocol. Okay. Next one is power management unit. So this power signal is transferred to the microcontroller by using GPIO. This GPIO is the general purpose input output protocols. So it is used to transfer the input output signals to the microcontroller devices. So next one is after the progress, the signal is transferred to the Bluetooth module through UART. So UART means universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. So next one is storage unit. So the signal is stored to SD card through this SPI. So SPI means Serial Peripheral Interface Protocols. So it is a high-speed synchronous device. So last stage is testing. So in this stage, we have to check the comfortability and battery life, accuracy, user interface, and overall user experience, and data privacy and data security. Thank you.